Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with the Dollar Tree haul. But before I show that, I want to show what was sent to me, and just a little random act of kindness. And this was sent to me by Lela. She wanted to share some of her papers with me. Hi Lela, and I just want to give her a shout out, and her channel information will be below, so go give her some love and check her out, and make sure you tell her that Dawn sent you from DaretoBeCreative. So she sent me these nice papers, and she sent more than one of each, and so I really appreciate that. And these are nice cut aparts. So this is Shine On by Amy Tangerine, and I like Amy Tangerine's papers. So these can be made some 3x3 cards, and you also got the solid on the back. Sorry about that lighting. Some gold foiling. Got the shadow there, sorry. That's one-sided. Oops. Another sheet of that. So it's like 3 sheets of that one. 3 sheets of this one too. Got the bicycle. This is the Jean Hatfield Along the Way. And that's what I think she was sending me. We were talking about a Jean Hatfield paper, and that's what made her send me that. Then some crepe paper. 3 sheets of this of the confetti. Should have the pull apart pack. I don't think they ever got that one in my Tuesday morning. I didn't see if they did. And that side as well. And then 3 of the Maggie Holmes Willow Lane with the butterflies, which I don't have. So thank you, Lela. So again, make sure you check out her channel. From the Dollar Tree, I just had to get some envelopes. Now my 12-5 pack. I had to mail something out. My light is falling over, and I just picked up these 5-pack of the Sure Fresh reusable squares, and I picked up this. It's not sitting down flat. Okay, this little color wheel. This is my grandson. Like I tell you, he likes to color and draw. I'm trying to get him more into art, even though he does it, but trying to get him more into it, even though he does it a lot. But I'm saying, like, to expand his palette. So anyway, that's that. And then last but not least, oh, not last but least, some more of these, the square and the round wood beads. 4-pack, 5-pack. Pink, green, purple, yellow, and blue. And then this is just a multi-pack, different size wood beads, 125 piece. With some different colors. And then the yarn. And there's so much more. The green, off-white. Well, let me read the colors. This one is called Natural. Natural. This one is Kelly. This one is Royal Blue. Sorry about the lighting. This one is Bright Yellow. And this one is Navy. And this one is Berry. And this one is White. And they had, you know, maybe another 12 different colors. And they disappeared like that, literally. But anyway, hopefully they come back again. And this is a good brand, Karen. So. But thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.